I wanted to share with you my water filtration system. This is what is referred to as the water osmosis filtration system. But as you will know, um, water filtration system, that works in a reverse osmosis manner, will tend to waste a lot of water. Basically, for every gallon of water that is filtered and made available for consumption, at least 3 gallons will go to waste. I never really understood this technology, but it is what it is. So I had to think of a way to be able to capture all that wasted water and not just let it go down my drain and go to waste, because really it's a waste. So one of the things that I did, I went ahead and went to Home Depot and I purchased a a T valve that was going to allow me to connect my line that is supposed to be leading to my drain and attach it to a T adapter and attach it to a on and off water flow valve that in turn directs the wasted water down to a 5 gallon container, and there the water is captured. Now, what happens when this 5 gallon container reaches full capacity? Well, then I come and I basically turn it off, and now because of this T valve that I put right here, the water is now being redirected down to the drain, which I'm not too sure, if you can hear or not, but the water is actually draining and going to waste. And of course, that is not something that I really want. So what I'm gonna do, because I know that my 5 gallon container is not really full to capacity, I'm just simply gonna go ahead and collect all that water. And then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out to uh, my flower pots and water my flowers, my trees, and whatever needs water on the outside. Doing this in order to cut down on the bill of the water, and more than that, to cut down on the amount of water that is wasted. I know I am in California. I know we have gone through a drought, and I know there is uh, water regulations in place, and I'm just simply doing my part. And at the same time, I'm enjoying good water, good water to drink, to cook. Um, I just wanted to share with you guys this little setup right here. I think it's kind of neat. I'm gonna explain it again. This water, this hose right here, before it gets here, it connects here. Then it flows through here, goes out into the 5 gallon container. Then once the 5 gallon container is filled to capacity, I come back, I turn my valve off, and now the water is gonna redirect itself down to my drain. Uh, I hope you'll find this useful, and I hope it'll save you. It'll help you save on wasted water. Because remember, for every one of those, you're gonna waste, if I remember correctly, 3 of those. So I'm not good with the math, but that as you can see, I mean, it's no brainer. You gotta save the water. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and post another video where I'm going to install a an alarm, something that will make indication to me that either this 5 gallon bucket is already full to capacity or is getting there. This way it'll give me plenty of time to come in, turn the valve off, and avoid a wider spillage. Because the last thing that I want is for this place to get flooded because the water is coming out. So I'm going to install a sensor to tell me, that this thing is full already. I'll be able to adjust the water level at which I want to be notified. And if I'm not home, somebody will be home because I want to make sure there is an actual alarm that either wakes us up or notifies whoever's here at the kitchen that it's time to turn the valve off and dispose of the wasted water. In this case, the recycled water. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.